So in this quick video, like I will share you like how to create an exit intent pop-up inside Klaviyo. The main thing is you can't basically track when the customer will exit your site in mobile, but in desktop you can. And I have one trick that you can be accurate for mobile users, so stick in this video. So for mobile, you just go to like in your pop-up, you just go to like targeting and behavior, and inside timing you just select based on rules and select when visitor is exiting the page. So now your pop-up is ready for exit intent, like it's exit intent functioning pop-up for desktop and for mobile. But in mobile you can't track when the customer will exit. So in order to do that, there is one trick. So you can use this tool called Microsoft Clarity, or you can use any other tool, for example heat maps, that can like track the customer like sessions. So let's say your average customer spend time around 20 seconds before they exit your site. So what you can do is you can, let's say the average time they spend on your site is like 20 seconds. Then you can add a timer here, like after visitor sees a where is it, yeah, after time delay you can put time delay, for example 2 second above, so 18 seconds, here we go. So if your like average session is like 20 seconds, you can basically like show the pop-up like around 18 second after. So it kind of work like exit intent. And yeah, that's the better way, like there's no other way to do that for mobile. And yeah, that's the video. And if you are a brand like who's looking for like growing their email revenue, you can just book a call below. Like we do this shit like every day. So yeah, if you want to hire us, then yeah, just book a call. And yeah, that's the video. I hope you like it.